channel. So I just finished filming a video yeah, for you guys. So I was just like, I just thought to say hi and open a new weekly vlog. So yeah, welcome to this weekly vlog part 2. This is my second weekly vlog, inshallah. I don't know what's gonna happen in this week, but I think I'm going to school. So yeah, I don't know how my uni life is gonna be, because initially I'm going to a school that I never thought I was going. But anyways, so this week is going to be about me getting ready for leaving. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna take you guys along. Plantain is yellow, I don't know. Oops, let me go and get my hot chocolate. This is after. This happens when you're eating with a baby. Can you imagine? So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, like 2 days since I vlogged. I don't know if I'm starting a new weekly vlog since I'm leaving for school, or just put these clips in the other vlog, then post it for you guys. I don't know, but anyways, I just thought to say hi. I just finished having my breakfast. I took you guys, it was nothing special. It was just an omelette and some plantain, which I ended up sharing with my nephew. So yeah, my face looks somehow. Please ignore my hair because it's divided into two, obviously. I'll see you guys when I vlog something interesting. Bye bye. I think I'm going to be taking you guys along because I'm going to school. So I'm starting uni. I'm not going to say my school, but anyways, done. Sorry, I'm just getting my stuff done, and yeah, I'm packing, shopping, you know, all that amazing stuff. Since I'm starting school on Monday, and today is, I think, Wednesday or Thursday. I don't know guys, I'm gonna put it for you guys if I check the date. But anyways, I finished having my breakfast. It's currently 2 p.m. Who has a breakfast around 2:01? I do. Anyways, let's just dive into today's vlog, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. I'm supposed to be cooking dinner, lunch. It's currently 6 p.m. Oh my god, I'm just gonna go and cook rice and stew for dinner. That's just it, because today I'm supposed to be cooking. Anyways, I'm wearing my sister's lab coat. Please do ignore me. I feel like, why didn't I go for science whenever I wear this lab coat? But anyways, I'm an art student, so yeah. Ignore my hair again. It's been like this for the past 1 week. I think, you know, the last time I cooked it, I think about 4 to 5 days ago. I really do need to go and make my hair. I really need to go to the salon. Like, it's been like this for the past, I don't know. Guys, I'll see you later when the food is done or in the process. Currently 12 a.m. like I'm literally alone in the parlor just watching this random house movie. I don't usually watch it, but anyways, I am, and it's raining guys. It's raining. I'm scared. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Oh, guys, it's so beautiful. I love the sky. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is Friday. I just woke up. I'm still in my pajama. I'm just wearing this random gown. Anyways, I'm going to go and make breakfast. It's just random noodles, then shower, do some skincare, and I'll see you guys when I'm in the process of that. So I just thought say hi. Today's Friday, which means 2 days for me to leave for school. I don't know if I'm going to be vlogging while at school because I want to focus. This is going to be my first semester and I just want to focus and put all my mind, my like strength and everything. So maybe I'm going to be vlogging less, which is going to be somehow for you guys, but when it's holiday, inshallah, I'll be vlogging every single day. But anyways, let's just dive into today's video. Hi guys, welcome back. So I think yesterday I couldn't vlog anything after I cooked my noodles. I totally forgot I was vlogging. I just slept through the day and I'm so sorry. So today I'm doing nothing. Also, I was supposed to go out to do some shopping for my school, like to just buy some books and pens and pencils, but anyways, that is cancelled. So I'm going to be cooking, I think, yam porridge, some meat and some couscous. So I'm going to take you guys along with me if I hopefully do not forget. Yeah, so let's just go. I'm doing nothing. Actually, I'm cooking because we're having visitors. My sister's friends came, so yeah, I'm cooking for her because she's not around. Let's just go. I love this lighting, guys. So we left home a couple of minutes ago. So we dropped my sister at Mason, went ShopRite. Now we're heading, I don't even know where we're going, but I know we're going to my sister's fashion house as my final destination. I have to go and make up some palazzos for school. So today has been hectic for me. I don't know guys, I'm just taking you guys along with me. So anyways, let's just go into the video. And please do mind my sisters. I'm trying to vlog her. Just left my sister's fashion house. The boat is outside. I have to go home and it's raining. It's about to rain. I will see you guys when I see you. Oh my god, I don't know the last clip where I stopped. I did so many things today. Went to Nissan, went to ShopRite, did shopping, like went to my sister's fashion house, took my palazzos. I told you guys about that, I think, or not, I don't know. Like, I'm just stressed, guys. Anyways, I just thought to end this vlog. I don't know if I'm going to call it a weekly vlog because it's not a weekly vlog, because I kind of just took you guys in a few, like, you guys just came with me and spent a few days with me, so it's not a complete weekly vlog. But yeah, anyways, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and inshallah I'll see you on my next one. I really love and appreciate you guys. Bye guys. Hi everyone. So I just thought to say hi. I'm currently headed for H-Medics to just go and pick up some, I don't know, random stuff. I think there are some pants and some things that I need to go and get, and I want to have some ice cream. It's currently, I think, 10 p.m. almost. It's 9 something. I have to rush out, so I'm just saying this real quick. I'm in my jilbab, so nothing, everything is just casual. I need to go and get that, and I get some few things that I couldn't get. Yeah, I'm leaving for school tomorrow, and I think this is the end of this week's vlog. So thank you guys for coming around with me. I really love and appreciate each one of you. See you on the next one. Bye. It's 9:30. We need to rush. They're even 247, so there's one need to rush. I need to go and pick up some few things that I might need. So yeah, let's just go, and I'm taking you guys along. You're not taking my ice cream. You're too small. Come. Guys, can you imagine? Like, the ice creams are melting because we took long.